Okay, I'm back. I'm just the other side of Valero. I'm on the east side of Valero in Skyforest. I'm going to drive down some more. I was able to send some pictures off there. Highway 18 is blocked. They got it blocked back here at Hortencia'S. They had a slide at the Narrows. So from like Crestline, above Crestline Bridge over to... I went into Crestline and cut over on Skyforest. But evidently it's blocked over there by the Crestline Bridge. And it's wheels acting kind of weird. But I had to go Skyforest drive out of Crestline, but it got real narrow toward the east side, like one lane narrow, and the problem was they've had a lot of trees go down there. Edison's in there working. They had trees go down on those power lines. The residents said they were without power for about 4 days. That couple we dug out in that expedition. Yeah, it's crazy. It's still crazy up here. Please drive slow because people can't see with these berms. They can't see to get out. And they got to pull halfway out to see. There's Edison there, the boom trucks. They may be calling it a day. It's so many jerks that won't wait. Like we were backing out Pete was backing out with his Kubota so we could get the people who were stuck out, and we nearly damn near got run over. They were honking at Pete. It's like, come on. Just give us 2 minutes. We'll get out of the way. And then when the sheriff backed me out, I was worried about the sheriff getting run over. It was like, what's wrong with you people? This is not a normal condition up here, normal day up here. You can't drive like you are normally, like a bunch of wahoos. Everybody wants to go fast. But you can't right now. It's, don't be stupid. Put your lights on so we can see you, go slow. So see the berms? There's 10. I'm going to get out of their way. There's a couple people behind me. Hit the turnouts when you can. There's a sheriff. That's why I wanted to get over. The sheriff was coming out of there. Oh, take it easy. There's a guy flying up. That's what I'm talking about. You got to go slower, guy. You can't go flying. Actually, he's got a yellow light. Remember the word school right there. He's got a yellow light. He's a traffic guy. Give us a break. Slow down. I'm going to go down there and turn around. I'm going to go back. Antlers was supposedly open. It's time for me to... I'll get out of this guy's way. There you go, guy. You can fly around me now. I don't know who he is, but you may want to... This guy, you may want to slow down a little bit. Good Lord. I've seen almost so many accidents, people pulling out, and the jerk-offs like those two, they won't slow down. And some places you'll come around the corner, it's one lane, it's like when I went down Skyforest, it got a little sketchy. There was limbs kind of in the road, and the berms had collapsed a little bit. And I'm not going to go all the way over I'm just going to let you see what it looks like up here, and I'm going to bounce back to Antlers if I can and get supper. Pete's over. He went up Island Drive off of Lake Gregory Road there. He's trying to... we did a recovery in there. It took us like an hour and a half, 2 hours to get that expedition out. I got punched. I got assaulted by one of the local residents. We don't know what was going on with him. But 173, I think is... I feel like something's going on with my front end. Yeah, I got to pull over here. There's something going on with my... wheels or something here. Something's not right. Can I pull over? Oh, there's somebody. Oh, I don't want to get down this narrow ass road. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull over. I gotta take a look real fast. Something's going on here. Something doesn't feel right. It's like something in it feels like the rear end. it's like I need to get down here and find a good place to turn around. Yeah, something doesn't feel quite right. But I really haven't been off-road. It's almost like... You okay? Okay. He looks like he's just keeping the entrance clear there. I'm not sure what this is. It almost feels like my four-wheel drive's engaged. That's what I thought. I'm not engaged. At least my selector's not on four-wheel drive, but it felt weird. Maybe it was ice. I hit some ice. I need to go look up underneath my front end because I really haven't been into where are we at here? Remember the World Drive there? It looked like cars were having trouble down there on Remember the World Drive. Go ahead, all this. Yeah, I want to find a parking lot, but the problem is there's no place. Well, maybe right here. Go look underneath my front end. Maybe I'm dragging something or something, pulling on it. I'm not sure what's going on. See nothing. I don't know. I think maybe it was ice. I put on ice then. I think a little bit of ice. I just slipped a little. Funny. It just felt like my back end broke loose a little bit. It was a different feeling though. It wasn't just a slip on the ice. Anyway, let me get my maps going and figure out where the hell I am and where I'm going. Already did. Yeah, the place we were after was Scenic View Drive. I just lost it. Where was that? I just lost it. Give me a minute here. I'm gonna. Okay, that's Skyforest. Okay, I know where I'm at now. I wanted to get down to Santa's Village. I may not make it. Not Santa's Village, Arrowhead Village. Survey Peak. Let's see if we can make antlers. We'll have supper there. What's that strange sound? That other guy. There was another guy over there across from me. He was a plow trucker. Yeah, I hope this thing don't break down on me. Please don't break down on me, baby. It was up here where I hit it. It might have been ice. It just kind of freaked me out the way it was like started crabbing sideways. Like something came loose, like my rear end got loose. The rear axle got loose. Yeah, that was kind of a weird feeling. Now I'm driving into the sun. Not a good move. And what I do with my sunglasses. But Highway 18 is blocked. They had a slide there at west of Hortencia'S, so I can't go down 18. I'm gonna have to go around. And that one Crest Forest Drive, there was trees down up in there, and it necked down into one lane on the east end. I barely fit through there coming in. I came in about 2. That's when I ran into Pete. Right where Crest Forest goes back to Highway 18, I ran into Pete there. Went with him to do a recovery. We ended up recovering a vehicle right on Island Drive. Yeah, right in here. That must have been ice I was slipping on. Or was these... this guy doing a U-turn? It might have been the potholes. I guess she's trying to do a U-turn. And please don't come up unless you're resident, or because we're seeing people looky-looing, taking pictures. There's one guy in a Land Cruiser. He's all tricked out like off-road guy, Asian guy, but he's parking in the road in the middle of Highway 18. He did a U-turn, almost caused a pileup where Pete was parked there. And then people are honking, trying to get around him. He was blocking half the lane, and everybody's yelling at him and telling him to move, and he's just kind of just slowly driving around, and we don't know what he was doing, but he was clogging up and almost causing accidents the 2 or 3 times we saw him. I don't know if he's lost or he's looking for. He probably shouldn't be up here unless he's got. But people are yelling at you and saying get out of the road, and you're blocking the road and you're almost causing accidents. You really got to listen to him. You don't get out of the road. I don't know what was going on with that. And then we ended up seeing him. He looked like he went down Lake Gregory Road. That may have been it. He's trying to... Yeah, he went up to the blockade. That's right. He's probably trying to get down because they've got 18 blocked there. I took Crest Forest to go around. Yeah, there's water right there. You're gonna have some flooding issue. Oh, big old plow. Flooding issues. This is Melton. All this snow. But there's rain coming in tomorrow. That's why Pete was thinking the same thing. Get up here, do what we can today. And then, is this even open? I don't know these roads, the condition of these roads. Hell, there ain't even a road. Or is there a road here? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I saw a guy with a plow in here. He came out of here and oh, man. Oh, the animal hospital. Yeah, he was plowing. He was... I don't know if I can do this. Yeah, if somebody comes down... We are on... I don't know what road we're on. It's the water. This is going to freeze. I got 46. Hopefully it doesn't freeze tonight. I may end up spending the night up here. Oh, this is straight up. Jesus. This may not have been a good deal. Holy mackerel. Doing recoveries. Huh? How's the road in? I'm going to Antler Inn. We've been doing recoveries up here.
Well, the last time I fucking...
Not a good idea?
They didn't have the middle plowed.
Not a good idea? Turn around?
I would go the other way.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
You got to find a driveway now.
Yeah. Smart.
I've already been in one fist fight with a resident.
Oh, really?
Some guy didn't like us. We were pulling a vehicle out.
Uh-huh.
Come up, little Russian guy, man. We were throwing fists.
Really?
Yeah, the sheriff came and I didn't have money arrested.
Jeez.
Yeah, I got one punch in. He didn't knock any teeth out. See ya.
Later.
Oh man, this is what I was afraid of. Hopefully we can find a driveway. Oh, this is getting nuts. Yeah, if I can even find a driveway, it's going to be narrow as hell. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to back it down. Yeah, I'm going to get in here and get... Can't go to Antlers that way. May not even be able to make it. there's a truck there that's completely buried. What are you saying?
I said you probably back into that road right there.
Yeah, that nothing up here, so
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Everybody's completely snowed in up there.
Been a couple weeks now, right?
About a week, 2 weeks about.
It'll be 2 weeks today or tomorrow.
Yeah. You see the berm, man, it's crazy.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, this is crazy. I need to get wide this way and then. There's a guy digging out there. He's trying to get the Hummer out. I was trying to almost start to back into his driveway, but it's actually a road here that guy said lock in the hubs just make sure we don't slip. I kind of cut that too long. He said the island, I think I know where he's talking about. It wasn't plowed, so yeah, these side streets, that's where it's going to get. You know, they may have one lane in. Everybody's got vehicles blocking, still haven't been uncovered. Some have been. But we're talking 12, 15-foot berms in here. You know, it's nuts. So it's going to be a lot of runoff when it melts. What street is this anyway? I'm trying to. There was a guy in here with a big loader. I think he was helping clear the animal hospital here. That's good to remember where they're. It looked like that lady just closed up and left. Rim Forest is animal hospital there. I may have to go down the mountain for food. I got food with me, man. I was gonna have a nice sit down meal. Let's see if we can see how you can. I can't see it. You know, it's where you gotta go slow. Let these people be able to peek out. There's Valero, and I've heard there's been some shortages on diesel, but it looks like they're advertising diesel. What's the $5.99 they got on the diesel there? I wonder if the Elks has food in there where I could bop in there. If you can even get into the Elks. Yeah, the Elks looks buried. Auto parts is about it for real estate. Osorio Brothers looks halfway accessible. Domino's, I don't know what they're trying to dig out. Domino's or pepperoni. Good. I wanted to talk to those guys, but I'm not sure. Maybe they got something going on inside. That's a 8-foot berm that those guys are trying to go over. Domino's Pizza. Oh, a pizza would be good. Yeah, I may have to go down the hill. On spot's dug out. The corral's not dug out, but there's a couple vehicles parked there. Edison's in there. That looks like an Edison yard right there. There's a big loader here. Was this a guy? No, this ain't the guy I saw earlier. That must be their yard right there. I see a couple loaders. Fire department. Pine Avenue on coming up. Yeah, that was in fact, it looks like there's a fire chief behind me. I'm going to get out of his way if I can up here. And no Verizon, the Verizon's is dead over here by Crestline. I had to go into Skyforest here to get any service. Look at the sunset. We're about 15 minutes from sunset. Look at that. Oh man, that's a beautiful look out there now. Let's see if I can get out of the way of this chief. Looks like Yeah, I may not be able to get that. Somebody saw the picture I posted of antlers. There was a lady bartender. Somebody who that knew the bartender. When I posted the picture, they messaged me saying, "Hey, I know that lady. We were wondering if they were okay." And I said, "Yeah, it appear they're open, and you just got to get there." But the locals, I guess, can walk into there. Yeah, I'm a little worried. We're 46, so I'm not really worried about the black ice right now. Oh, I'm supposed to call Pete's wife. Forgot to call her at 5:30. Text her. I'm gonna see if I can text down here. If I can find a spot. That Pete's okay. He's gonna be a little late. Pete might be down here loading up too, because he said he would get out of here about dark. I really wanted to go with him. I should have went with him to check and just to watch his backside, because that crazy guy come up and started trading punches with me, and then started to go after Pete. Pete was getting off he's like, enough of this. He was getting ready to come tag team that guy. A little Russian guy. He sounded Russian. Whoa, look at that. But I hope Pete's all right down here. Where that light is for Lake Gregory was where we were kind of stationed there. That's where so it looked like several guys unloaded their Kubotas there, or backhoes, or front loaders. There was a little bit of a turnout. He said he's been up over further. He's helped dig out, several families now. Thank you, Pete. That Pete Nelson, heck of a job. He brought his Kubotas up here. He has a landscaping company, and he just a couple days ago came up here and helped dig people out. And there's still quite a few people that it's basically hand shovels, to dig out the vehicle, the driveway. It's so narrow, and the Kubotas, Pete, like that expedition we pulled out, he dug out from behind it, and then we grabbed onto it with my kinetic strap and pulled it. The vehicle was dead. We pulled it forward where we could get under the hood, and then Pete was able to. My jump thing was dead. Pete was able to get jumper cables off his Kubota. What am I doing? I think Pete's still over there. We'll go over there and I'll get out of the way of this chief here so he can get where he needs to go. Or is the road open? It looks like the road may be open. Yeah, I'm gonna pull in here. Yeah, Pete's still up there. Yeah, he's not in here. That's his trailer. Oh, I want to make sure he comes out. I'm going to try and text his wife now. And thanks for watching. I'll get more video up.